Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.3% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The UK's FTSE 100 hit its highest in 6 weeks after the European Central Bank signalled an end to its monetary tightening cycle, while industrial metal miners led the gains after a surge in iron ore prices. FTX received the green light to liquidate $3.6 billion in crypto assets from a US bankruptcy court in Delaware. Solana, Ethereum, and Aptos are the top 3 altcoin holdings of the bankrupt FTX exchange. The dollar index surged to a 6-month high as economic data was mostly stronger than anticipated, and the European Central Bank signalled it was likely done with its interest rate hike cycle.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's tertiary industry index will be released at 0430 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 hours GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT. The US industrial production will be released at 1315 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.